Once you've installed the Centro app into Microsoft Teams and Salesforce, you can begin testing your Agentforce agents. Here we're going to focus on testing your employee agents. You can test your employee agents in chats or in DMs. Your agents will display here once they are active and you have authenticated your user to your Salesforce org using the authentication path. Here you can see my user is authenticated. When I select my agent, I'm going to choose Send to DM. This is going to be a direct message within the Centro app between myself and the agent. Here you can see the history of my chats with the agents as well as start a new chat. I can begin by asking my agent to send me my opportunities. Once the agent responds, I can validate the response by looking at the Agentforce Builder in Salesforce. Here you can see the 3 opportunities it responds with. By navigating to my Agentforce Builder, I can add the same prompt and see the response to ensure everything is processing as expected. Once I have that information available, I can test further by asking for details of additional opportunities or asking to change the close dates or other fields within the opportunities sent. This is how you can test Agentforce agents in DMs with Centro. Please reach out with any questions.